Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your BMW 5 Series. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is on and the iDrive system is fully active. Next, grab your mobile device and confirm that its Bluetooth function is enabled and set to discoverable mode. Then, navigate to the communication menu within your BMW's iDrive interface to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection. Once in the communication menu, select the option to add new device or connect new device. Your BMW will then search for available Bluetooth devices. On your phone, select your BMW from the list of found devices. A pairing code will appear on both screens. Confirm that these codes match to proceed with the connection. This step securely links your phone to your vehicle. After confirming the pairing code, your device should automatically connect to your BMW. You might be prompted to allow access to your phone book or media files. Accept these to enable full functionality. Take a moment to adjust any audio settings or synchronization preferences through the iDrive system. Finally, test the connection by making a quick call or playing some music to ensure everything works perfectly. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your mobile device and the BMW's iDrive system. Sometimes, deleting old Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car can resolve connection problems. Remember that specific steps might vary slightly depending on your BMW 5 Series model year, so always consult your owner's manual for detailed, model-specific instructions. Enjoy your seamless Bluetooth experience.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.